Guys, it's Olivia, and today I have a full body stretching routine for you. This is not a beginner's routine, it's an intermediate to advanced, and it's a different styled routine because I don't want you guys doing the same old one every time, so I'm giving you more of a variety. I hope you guys enjoy this. I definitely felt a challenge when doing this, but remember, what doesn't challenge you won't change you.
Let's get flexible, dreamers. Okay, that's not gonna work. Reach up to the sky and down to the floor into our standing pike. Touch the floor. Hug your legs if you can. Aim to lengthen your torso and lay it across your legs rather than digging your head above your knees. Grab your elbows and sway side to side. Now place your hands on the ground and fling your arms from side to side for a shoulder stretch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now jump back into push-up position and go down into a seal stretch. Arch your back and lift your chest up, really feeling that deep stretch in your back, breathing through it and energy flowing through your system. Go down and push back into your seal stretch. Now staying in this position, try to touch your feet to your head. If you can't do this yet, that's okay. You'll get there with practice. Push up into downward dog and walk the dog, lifting one heel at a time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right leg up into a lunge. Keep that back leg straight and push deep into your lunge. Make sure your knee is directly over your ankle for the stretch to be effective. Go onto your elbows for a deeper stretch. Set your back leg's knee down and bend it. Flex that back foot for a deeper stretch. Don't be lazy about your stretching. You can't expect to succeed by only putting in work on the days that you feel like it. You have to show up every day and exceed your limits. With the exception of rest days, those are very important. Go back into your lunge and we're gonna hold it for 15 seconds with no arm support and keep that back leg straight. This is hard, and that's why I'm having you do this with me, because if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Every second you hold on longer is every ounce of weakness leaving the body. Keep going. Great job, you made it. And if you didn't, don't fret. I couldn't hold it my first time, but I kept on practicing and built the strength to hold it through. One more time. Done. Now go into pigeon pose or half split and hold it here. For a deeper stretch, bring that front leg out to 90 degrees. Slide into your splits. Now I created this mini split routine. We're going to start by holding the splits. Now sprawl your body forward. Just to be sure. Come up and arch your back as much as you can. Shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun. Now we're going to do 2 body rolls. Forward and back. Roll forward and back. Now try to do a scorpion in the split position. Now lean forward, grab your leg, and roll to the right side, staying in that leg hold position. Bring your leg as far back as you can, and we're going to hold it in a leg hold. Finished. Bend your leg, then straighten. Bend once more, and straighten. Now pull your leg as far back as you can. Finished. Now bring it out to the side and circle it down. Bring it back up and roll to the right side back into your right splits. Slide up and bring your right leg to the sky and kick it for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that left leg into a lunge and we'll repeat it on the left side. Sink your legs as far down as you can without bending them. Bend that back right leg and grab it. Slide up. Flex your front foot and bend your back leg once. Now twice. Push down into your lunge again, and we're going to hold it. This is my much weaker side, so I was really tempted to let go, but I'm shutting out that voice inside me saying I can't and just doing it. Don't think, just hold. If you can do it on one side, you're strong enough to do it on the other side. Come on down and slide into pigeon pose. Bring your left leg out to a 90-degree angle for a deeper stretch. My left side is less flexible than my right, so I'm going to stay in pigeon pose because I'm not ready yet. Shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun. Finished. Slide into your splits and hold it here, and then we'll do the mini split routine. Freedom is a gift for everyone. Sprawl your body forward. In the center of your soul, there's an open bullet hole. You must patch. Arch your back. You've grown too old. Life is a prize greater than gold. 2 body rolls, forward, back, forward, back. Now try to do a scorpion in your splits. And here I'm saying nope, not there yet, but one day I will be. Sprawl forward and roll to your left side, staying in a leg hold position. Bring your leg as far back as you can, and we're going to hold it in a leg hold. Finished. Now bend your leg, then straighten. Bend, straighten. Now pull your leg as far back as you can. Finished. Now bring it out to the side and circle down. Bring it back up and roll to your left side back into split position. Slide up and bring your right leg up. And kick it for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your leg down and twist into a bridge. Try to walk your hands as close to your feet as you can.
Knocking at your door, open up and you will find the face is yours. Check it again, just to be sure.
Now go down into your elbows and push forward in the direction of your arms. A lot of you ask how to not get so dizzy while doing a bridge, and I think the more you do it, the less dizzy you get and eventually just tolerate it. I don't really get dizzy when I do it anymore because I've done it so much, but I do recall dizziness when I first started out. Come on down and rest.
No one should live undercover.
Push back up and straighten those legs, keeping them together.
Freedom is a gift for everyone.
Now spread your legs apart enough so you can come up from this bridge. If you can't do this yet, just go down and stand up. I have a tutorial that I'll link below to where you can learn how to come up from a bridge. I'm going to flip myself around so you can see me, but with this routine, stay on the side you came up from. Lean to your left side, now grabbing your left leg.
Life is a prize.
Swing all the way up and stretch your right shoulder.
Stop the front behind.
Now your left.
Shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your
Swing down into this position. Use your arms to push your legs out as far as you can.
No one should live undercover. No one is above the other. Freedom,
Switch sides.
everyone.
Now come center and push your right knee/leg outwards. Now push your right side.
Stop the front behind.
Now push your left side.
All your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun.
Now sit down and straddle and stretch to your right side. Try to touch your shoulder to the floor if you can.
Gift for everyone.
Left side. Now switch it back to your right side, but lean your stomach on your leg.
Knocking at your door, open up and you will find the face is yours.
Switch to the left.
Just to be sure. Stop the front.
Now center. Try to sprawl your whole stomach across the floor to where it's touching. I recently have been struggling with this stretch as I lost a lot of my flexibility due to my leg injury, but I started stretching often, really pushing past my limits, not giving up even when I didn't see progress, and now I'm able to touch my stomach to the floor. You can do it. You just need the determination and discipline.
Gift for everyone.
Finished. Now go into your middle splits. As some of you know, I lost my middle splits due to my leg injury, and honestly, it sucks because this is the splits that took me the longest to get. It was the most challenging for me, but every challenge strengthens you.
You've grown too old. Life is a prize greater than gold.
At this point, you may want to start falling out of your middle splits, but don't. Stop that voice inside of you that's saying you can't hold this through, that it hurts, that you can't do this. You can do this because your body can stand almost anything. It's your mind that you have to convince. I should only be hearing you tell yourself, I can do this. You didn't come this far just to give up, so don't quit now. Slide forward into frog position. You want to keep your pelvis and feet touching the ground. Now you guys might not like me for this, but slide back into your straddle and we'll hold it for 15 more seconds. The times when you really don't want to do something is when it's crucial to do it, because those are the pivotal moments of change, progress. Slide out and hug your knees. You are done with this routine and so much closer to reaching your flexibility goals. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow or in the next few days, because a little progress each day adds up to big results. If you're sore, make sure to check out my video, How to Relieve Sore Muscles. I'll link it in the description below.
Say I want you to see